Setting an object as the center means making that object the pivot point around which the camera and the rest of the solar system move on the screen. The default central object is the Sun. The object that is set as the center is indicated by a rotating marker or by an arrow when it is off screen. When an object is set as the center, a note will appear on the top of the screen that states, "Set center to whatever the name of the object is." So for example, if Earth is set as the center, we'll see "Set center to Earth" on the top of the screen, and a rotating marker will appear around Earth. The rotating marker disappears when the view is zoomed into the central object. And if I pan the view to take Earth off screen, an arrow will appear to point towards the direction of the central object. When the central object is off screen, it can be put back into the center of the camera view by using the point at function. More details on this function can be seen in the rotating the camera section of the user's guide. Both the rotating marker and the arrow center indicators can be toggled on and off by going to the left toolbar, clicking the gears icon, clicking Guides, and toggling the center indicator on and off. Note that the object set as the center will not necessarily be in the center of the view. For example, in this case, Mars was set as the center, marked by the rotating markers, but it is not in the center of the view. You can set an object as the center through the Object menu, the top menu, your keyboard, or through two alternate methods. To use the Object menu, right-click the desired object and click Set as Center or Set as Fixed Center from the displayed options. Choosing Set as Fixed Center both sets the desired object as the new central object and sets the visualization frame to be that object's body fixed frame. So for example, if we set Earth as the fixed center and speed up time, we can see that the camera will rotate and move with the body. To use the top menu, select an object, go to the menu bar, click Camera, and click Set Center. To use the keyboard, select an object and press Command C. The two alternate methods are to go to an object and to click the solar system view in the toolbar. As a side result, going to an object sets that object as the new center, and clicking the solar system view sets the Sun as the new center. Details on going to an object can be seen in the Moving the Camera section of the user's guide, and details on the solar system view can be seen in the Toolbar Functions section of the user's guide.